Welcome to S.V.U Union High School and Junior College. I have come back with the video of Standard 7 Computer Chapter number 8 Topic Internet Part 2. In the first part of this chapter, we have learned how to search information on Internet and how to communicate on Internet, how to chat on Internet, can even educate ourselves through Internet. There are different websites for this purpose also. We also know now how to chat through Yahoo Messenger. Now let us start with the part 2 of this chapter. Now in this video, let us learn first about acronyms. What are acronyms? Many characters make use of acronyms, means words formed from the first letters of the other words to express commonly used phrases. Here is the list of some commonly used acronyms. Let's see. IMHO, in my humble opinion. Hand, have a nice day. BRB, be right back. MYOB, mind your own business. IIRC, if I recall correctly. WKND, weekend. ASAP, as soon as possible. Today. These are the examples of various acronyms. Let's see how we can show emotions using the keyboard. Emotions, also known as smileys or smiles. Emotions are those symbols you make using characters on your keyboard. Here is a list of some commonly used ones. Let's see some of the examples. You just said something funny and now I am laughing. Next, I am happy, a good thing just happened, etc. The standard happy face emotion. I am sad, a bad thing just happened, etc. That last statement I made was intended to be sarcastic. Please don't hit me. Next, I am neutral towards the idea. I am so surprised. I am sitting here with my mouth open. Next, I am annoyed with something you just said. What is newsgroup? When people discuss a subject of common interest, there is a place on internet where we can do so. It is known as newsgroup. When you are interested to know what is happening in the news or interested in finding a recipe for dinner or need help training your dog, there are newsgroups out there for you. People interested in the subject can subscribe to the newsgroup. You can find or search through the full list of the newsgroups on your server. Subscribers can use a news reader to read all the articles, that is messages posted to the news groups. Most browsers include an integrated news readers to read and post articles to the news groups. Each article posted to a news group is automatically delivered to the entire subscriber. There are two types of news groups on Usenet. First one is moderated news groups and second one is unmoderated news group. In moderated news group, each message is examined by a human moderator before being passed on to the work group. In an unmoderated news group, all the messages are automatically posted and are distributed to all the groups by Usenet servers. Let us see the 8 official categories of news groups. Category and description like miscellaneous, topics, humanities, literature, art or other topics covered by the term humanities. Then computer related topics, talk, politics related topics, social and cultural topics, scientific topics, then news group related topics, recreation including sports, hobbies, etc. There are thousands of news groups in the world. What is video conferencing? A teleconference is a telephone or video meeting between participants in two or more locations. A video conference, also known as a video teleconference, is a set of interactive telecommunication technologies which allow people from one or more locations to interact via two-way video and audio transmission simultaneously. It is also known as visual collaboration. To have a virtual meeting, that is video conferencing, we need the following things: a computer with multimedia kit, a camera with capturing capability that sends video from your local endpoint, a microphone which captures and sends the audio from your local endpoint, speakers which play sound, means audio received from remote endpoints, a high-speed internet connection, a video conferencing software such as Microsoft NetMeeting. Microsoft NetMeeting provided with Windows XP is a video conferencing software. In Windows Vista, you can use Windows Meeting Space for conducting a virtual meeting. Ecards. It is a greeting card which is sent on internet, usually through email. There are many sites on the internet which provide the facility of sending free e-cards. In this slide, we can see names of the few sites on the internet which provides the facility of sending the free e-cards. Those are http www.123greetings.com. Next, http www.egreetingcards.com. And like this, few more are given here. Have to follow few steps to send an e-card. First, open http://www.123greetingcards.com. Second, search through the main categories, that is birthday, friendship, etc., or type birthday in the search text box and click go. The image here, you can also see the site 123greetingcard.com is open. Third step is the cards available in the selected category birthday will be displayed. Click on the desired card to send. Here in this image you can see the birthday cards. We have to click the card we wish to send. Fourth step is the card design will be displayed. If it is an animated card, you can play and see the animation. Here in this image you can see a birthday card. Next step is click on change music arrow to select the music. In this image you can see a drop down list from where you can change the music. Sixth step is click on customized and send. Enter the required details such as the name and email addresses of the recipients and senders and your message. In the image you can see a message box where you can type your message. In the 7th step, you can see the preview by clicking on Click here to preview. Here in this image, you can see we have clicked on the preview button. 8th point, click play to see your card. Here in this image, you can see the card. 9th point, if you are happy with what you see, choose a date when you want to send the card and click send now. You will get a message on sending the message. Here in this image, you can see how we can send a card and the message. On sending the card, the recipient will receive an email with a link to the e-card provider web page. On clicking that link, the card will open up. Remember that the card is not sent through email but only its link. Netiquettes. The word Netiquettes is Netiquettes. It comes from the two words internet and etiquette, means unwritten rules of conduct for internet users. Netiquettes is necessary to ensure that using the internet is a pleasant experience for everybody. Here are some rules one should observe while using the internet. See the first rule. It is difficult to know whether people online are happy or sad. When you write an email message, make sure the person you are sending it to will know whether you are happy, sad, angry, joking, etc. You can do this by using smiley faces. If someone tells you something secret, it should be kept secret. This includes password, full name, addresses, or interests. Sharing your own password with someone else, even someone you like, is never a good idea. Passwords and personal information are private and are never safe to share with others. When you are at the computer, you are in control. Avoid using the computer to harm other people. Taking things which are not yours, such as files, passwords, or credit card numbers. Spreading rumors about other people's online and infecting other computers with viruses are examples of harming other people's online. Starting a flame war is a serious business on the net. Even if you are angry with someone, you don't need to take things any further. Try being calm, ignoring the message, or sending a polite message asking them to explain what they meant. It may have been a misunderstanding. Do not type a message in all uppercase letters. It is considered equivalent to shouting. Different discussion groups or chat rooms have different tone of conversation. Some groups may be quiet, academic, and formal, while other may be casual and informal. Before you join the discussion, you could take out some time to read some messages or check the archives so that you have an idea of what the group is all about and what kind of messages would be proper. Next point, type an appropriate subject for your email messages which reflects the content of your message. Email has largely been associated with casual communication among friends and relatives. but the internet is increasingly being used for business and formal communication as well. A spelling mistake or two may not matter much in a short note to a friend. However, if you are representing your school or your company, you should make sure that your message reads well and contains accurate and relevant information. We have completed this chapter. I hope you all have understood and you all have enjoyed learning about internet. Thank you.